Welcome back to the CryptoWorld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now Ethereum is nearly at its breaking level while Bitcoin is retesting important resistance. So in just a moment, I'll be talking about all of that and more later in the video, so definitely stick around. First of all, starting off on this 4-hour Bitcoin chart, and as I said in the intro of this video, the price of Bitcoin is retesting this previous golden pocket level of support, which is currently acting as resistance, and also all the way back here towards the beginning of September, this was acting as resistance back then as well. And by the way, this golden pocket level of resistance is sitting at around $20,000 per Bitcoin. So if the price of Bitcoin cannot confirm a break above 20,000 sometime soon, then this retest of 20,000 could act as a bearish confirmation signal if we get a rejection from 20k, because obviously that would mean that we're further confirming that golden pocket level of resistance as resistance. And in that scenario, if the price of Bitcoin fails to break back above the golden pocket and instead we get a rejection from 20k, then I'd expect the price of Bitcoin to come down to at least this 78.6% Fibonacci level, which is sitting at around 19.4k approximately, and anything below that support level, then I'd expect a drop down towards this local low at around 18,500. But looking at the price oscillators right now, the 4-hour Bitcoin RSI isn't really showing all that much, but the 4-hour Bitcoin MACD recently had a bullish cross, which does mean that we're technically starting to see a little bit more short-term bullish momentum, but obviously that isn't important until we can see a break above 20,000. And so this bullish cross in the 4-hour Bitcoin MACD is somewhat similar to this bullish divergence that we're seeing on much smaller timeframes, like this 2-hour Bitcoin chart, for example. Obviously, the price of Bitcoin has been forming lower lows, while the RSI on just the 2-hour time frame has been forming higher lows. And so technically speaking, this means that we're due to see reduced bearish momentum in the shorter term, as in the coming hours, maybe the next day or so. But keep in mind, this is only visible on smaller time frames, which is why this is only expected to play out in the short term, not any longer than perhaps a few days. But other than that, nothing much has happened with Bitcoin over the last one day. So if you're new to the channel and you missed my last video, definitely check that one out. But anyway, getting into the Ethereum part of this video, this right here is the daily Ethereum chart, and right now the price of ETH is testing this important horizontal line of support. And this line of support, by the way, is coming into play just above 1.4k. So if the price of Ethereum breaks below 1.4k, then obviously in that scenario it would play out the next leg to the downside. And as for price targets to the downside, check out my last video on the channel once again, because we do have a technical price target based on this price action right here. But as for support levels, taking a look at our Fibonacci retracement tool from swing low to swing high, and right now the golden pocket level of support for Ethereum is sitting at around 1.3k. So if we confirm a break below 1.4k, then immediately I'd expect to drop down towards 1.3k, and then we should be expecting a decent amount of support around there. But anything below 1.3k, then I'd expect to drop down towards around 1.1k, and then below that would have a price target based on this price action that I mentioned in my last video once again. But anyway, this was just a quick update video today, because nothing much has happened over the last one day, and I'm not going to sit here and waste your time. But if you want to watch more valuable crypto content, then make sure to check out these videos popping up right here on your screen, because the video popping up in the top left of your screen shows you how to make money in crypto if the prices are going either up or down, and the video in the bottom left of your screen shows you how to make money in crypto if the price is chopping around sideways. But anyway, that's everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.